terrible way to start a round.
You didn't even start.
Can we go back?
Let's restart. Restart round.
Restart the round, guys. Come on. That way, this way, with the rest of our squad.
No!
I think that's a no. I think that's a no. Move, cross the road, cross the road, cross the road. I'm moving up to the stump. Don't engage. Contact. Contact!
There can be only one!
Contact front! He's dead! Watch left! Left bunker! Left bunker! Red! All right! Dragon Seath, red! Dragon Seath, you red! All right! Heal him up.
Heal anybody you got up. Let's go.
Heal him up! Heal him up! Red Robin, regroup center. Red Robin, regroup center.
Hey, regardless, those two guys, man, but that was badass because like we came from every single angle, dude. That was pretty awesome. That was badass. That was good, quiet move, guys. Good, quiet move. Good sir. Good fit,
Yeah, we got that good.
We did, man. Watch your shadows. Safety.
Wait, are you still in?
Yep. Oh God!
How the hell did I hit you?
Hey, it didn't go off.
Hey, you can't say you were facing you. Oh my God. Eric!
What?
Eric, he's right there!
Oh God!
Come here, buddy!
Ah, this is bad!
Oh, okay. Damn it, okay. Got it. Straight down. I see him. He's hit. I'm getting him. Hey, Eric. You hit! You did. You got me good.
I got you over there.
You were shooting that across?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you got me. Yeah, probably.
Good idea!
Safety! Does that count? Oh! Darn it!
Get a C for creativity.
All right, I'll take a C. That's a passing grade.